CMG Coin is a cryptocurrency for online service payments with its own online payment platform. CMG Coin is created with the need to provide a means of payment for the crypto mining group mother project. Upon realizing that there is no specific currency in the world of cryptocurrencies to provide service platforms with a secure, fast, and anonymous means of payments, we decided to create CMG Coin to meet this need. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to share number of things regarding CMG Coin, and we are going to tell you where it is basically listed at this time, and you have the chance to buy this coin at this time. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. First of all, what is basically CMG Coin all about? As I told you above, that basically it is the own cryptocurrency for online service payments with its own online payment platform. What is the use of CMG Coin all about? CMG Coin is a utility is that it can be used as a means of payments for digital services, as you can say for the whole digital services. The first service to implement it is crypto mining group, which is the mother project of CMG Coin. So this is basically the main feature and main use of CMG Coin. It is basically an ERC20 token, so you can easily hold this token in your personal Ethereum wallet addresses, in your personal MyEther wallet address, and here you can see the entire contract address of this project CMG Coin and entire total the token supply of your project. And also it is, as I told you, that it is basically an ERC20 the token, so you can easily hold it in your personal wallet. So what is crypto mining? That is basically a key factor. So basically the crypto mining group is a platform with different services to earn with cryptocurrencies. Here you can see the entire roadmap of this entire CMG Coin, and it is already listed on CoinGecko, so you can see each and everything. Especially the price of one token is about $0.09, and even it is down about 64%. So definitely the price will be about 0.18 or 0.19 like this. So here you can see it by yourself that right now it is available on CoinGecko and it is already listed on unnamed exchange. So right now you have the chance to trade this token directly on the unnamed exchange. Here you can see it by yourself that it is available, and the trading is ongoing in BTC pair, in LTC, in Doge, in UTIP pair, in Ethereum pair, USDT pair, and even in XMR pair. So you have the chance to buy this token in multiple currencies because all the pairs are available on unnamed exchange of CMG Coin. So it is entirely very easy for you to purchase this token. Here you can also see one thing more, the entire team, because the team is here for you 24/7, and if you have any type of questions, you can ask all the questions from the team directly on the LinkedIn and also on the Twitter pages. So they are going to answer each and everything regarding this platform. And if you want to know something more regarding this platform, you can even basically message them on all the social media. Here you can see the GitHub, the wallets, the terms and condition, and especially the Twitter, Telegram, and Bitcoin Talk. Right now the thing is this, it is entirely important, which I am going to show you, is basically the white paper of the CMG Coin. It is basically the future. So the thing is this, here you can see it by yourself. CMG Coin was developed as a great idea linking a functional system and an ecosystem with an ERC20 based utility token, so that end users can operate in a safe and uncomplicated environment satisfying the different needs they may have. The core of CMG Coin is crypto mining group, which is CMG Coin's main project. The two projects together constitute an ecosystem that completely changes the you can say the whole environment investment in the cryptocurrencies. Though that is basically the theme of CMG Coin. If you want to invest in this project, you must have to read each and everything in their white paper, because they elaborate each and everything in their white paper right now. So it is your chance to know all the things regarding CMG Coin. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.